Okay, good morning. So let's open the routine on the day. Remove this. Oops. Remove this. Open all the charts, and we know how the market is doing, right? But let's fix it. Here we have it. A strong day. Consolidating. Flat. Nothing new. Yes, the Japan. Okay, so we have here now moving to the downside. Moving to the upside. It closed. You see how we have negative candles. Price moving higher. The other one is here. This is the close of yesterday. We could have moved higher, but we did not. In a monthly, let me change it here. So month to date of yesterday's close, we're positive. In the quarter, we are very strong in the Nasdaq. And I want to highlight this. I want to highlight this. Okay. This trend here. It's true that we could trade lower, but so far there is no indication. We're waiting, we're being patient, there is no indication. Same thing, crude getting weaker, gold getting stronger. Greece, Korea, Spain gave back a little bit. And Bitcoin in last week, we have to highlight this, okay? So Bitcoin in the last week, minus 10%. In the last 90 days, minus 6%. If you follow what Elon Musk is saying, he commented a little bit on Bitcoin. He did a tweet on Bitcoin, and the bulls already said, hey, he's back, and mentioning the strength, but we'll see what's going to happen. I'm looking sunsetting here, so no, we have new alerts, right? A few alerts triggered. Let's see if I go messages, crude, right? And then AMD. Okay, we'll review all of those. Let's go first with the market internals. Take a picture of this. Send it to Discord. Remove this out of the way. Here, daily. And what do we see here? So, positive volume. Positive volume. Infotech is positive. Not the strongest level here. You can see. And let me put the ES in the chart here. We are trading. Let me take a picture again of this. I thought it was the incubator. And now we can send this Discord and remove The other one. What do we see here? Not as strong as yesterday. You see, we have 1. Yesterday we had close to 5. And 3. Close to 5 in New York Stock Exchange. And 3. Open at 3.9 on the Nasdaq. Now it's 1. 1.5. Right. Sectors on the open, financial is down, important 0.5. Healthcare is barely positive, consumer discretionary is barely positive. So we remove this. And then we go to flexible grid. And this is what happened overnight. Consolidation, push higher, now it's giving back a little bit. I'm not sure if this market wants or is going to be able to trade higher. Clearly, the target is weekly high, and today's low, that is October open, should be respected, right? If today's open is not respected, which is very close, it's just 7 points away, we have to think about something. Nasdaq is a very different story. No, not very different, it's a different story. Gap up is not testing yesterday level, and overnight it did not give back. You see how ES gave back a little bit. Nasdaq is trading at the high. It was trading at the high of yesterday. Here we can say, hey, let's go, right? Let me mark here the open. This is the open. Let me remove this, make it the open. So the open, it's 843. Edit 843. 843. This is October open print show on the right. Okay, so now we can move this one to at least this area here. This is a new target. It's close. And look, it's giving back. How is the internal reacting? So tick is giving up. Volume indecisive. Volume here is it's not looking very good for the bears. You see how, for the bulls, you see how some indexes have returned to negative territory. Gold, let me go to the 3 times frame. Gold keep pushing. Wow. Congratulations to all of you that are holding, all of us that are holding gold. Bitcoin, yeah, at least it's not trading lower. Silver, the same. Extraordinary. So if we go to top equities, Google, Meta, we need this. We need Nvidia, the gap up of the day.
Market data connection re-established. Market data connection lost. Trading connection re-established.
So you see
The connection re-established.
what is happening. I lost connectivity. But now I believe it came back. Correct. Yes, you see me came back. So this is so far for today. So we're 20 minutes on the day. You see, like today I am not as aggressive as yesterday. Let me check the market equity indexes, index futures. Let's see how they did overnight. Here. Let me lower the volume of this a little bit. And checking if I'm getting signals. So what do we have here? Mixed in Europe, some positive but near flat. You see, nothing is above 1% except Switzerland. In Asia, very much flat. In the US, positive. Brazil is near 0.8. And Mexico is 0.5. So nothing major, right? Go to the top news. Let's see the last 12 hours, 24 hours. Trump, okay. In Venezuela, so this is not market moving events. China with the earth metals, rare earth metals. This is what we mentioned. TSMC having a great time. Trump about Russia, and Modi, Nestle cutting 16,000 jobs. Supreme Court, BlackRock. Okay, this is from yesterday. Nothing super strong. Oh, now why? This was yesterday, right? I read somewhere. Now they have in the front page. I read somewhere yesterday that they were ready. They were talking about 25 basis points. Let's go to companies, US companies. So nothing that can really move the market short term. So let me review where we're getting signals and why. So on the ES, it's not great. I'm super confident of today's market's ability to trade higher. I want it, that's for sure. I don't have that much more to share. I'm going to end up the broadcast here. There is not much more. Let's see, we can go to the individual equities. So Microsoft did not trigger, Tesla did not trigger, Meta triggered, Broadcom holding, Amazon. This is very interesting. Let me go to see Amazon. As you can see, there is a consolidation area. Here. I think it's the YM. I'm gonna show you. I saw this overnight. Okay. Doesn't exist. Okay, this was the index ISO. This is the Russell. I guess it's the Russell futures. Isn't it? Now the Russell is much stronger than the YM. The Nasdaq. Okay. Today is not bad. So Nasdaq is holding. Yes, it's right there at the opening of the month. Okay, NYSE on NYSE turned negative on the day, and it's not looking good for bulls. That's it. If there is something major, I will comment. If not, we'll see you around the close today. Bye bye. Have a nice day.